In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use section colors. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the background of individual sections in Google Sites, so your pages are clearer, more on-brand, and easier to read. First, open your site in Google Sites. Once your site is open, you're working directly on the page, and changes save automatically, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. If you have multiple pages, make sure you're on the page where you want to adjust a section's background. Next, click on the section you want to edit. In Google Sites, sections are the horizontal content blocks that stack down the page. When you hover over them, you'll see a faint outline indicating the boundaries of that section. Click anywhere inside that area to select it. You'll know it's selected when the section shows a more defined border and a small toolbar appears aligned with it. Now look to the right side of that selected section for the background color icon, the little palette symbol. This is your shortcut to changing how that specific section looks without affecting the rest of the page. Click the palette icon to open the background options. Finally, choose a color or gradient for the section. You'll typically see a few preset options based on your site's theme, along with choices for solid colors and gradients. Pick something that complements your content and maintains good contrast with any text or images in that section. If your text doesn't feel readable after a change, try a lighter or darker background, or switch from a busy gradient to a clean, solid color. If you've customized your site's theme, the palette will usually reflect those brand colors, which is a great way to keep everything consistent across pages. Many palettes also include a reset or default option in case you want to revert the section back to the original look. A few quick pointers as you choose. Use color strategically to group related content, highlight calls to action, or create visual breaks on long pages. Gradients can add depth, but subtlety often works best, especially when you have lots of text. And remember, the color you pick applies only to the selected section, so repeat these same steps for any other sections you want to style. That's it. Open your site, select a section, click the palette on the right, and choose a color or gradient. With just a couple of clicks, you can make your section stand out and guide your visitors' attention exactly where you want it.